Welcome back. Today, I'm bringing a custom air compressor to life using everyday materials. It's a precision-driven project with powerful potential. Join me as we transform basic parts into a high-pressure powerhouse. First, I'm dismantling an old refrigerator compressor. This will be the heart of our air system. It might look rugged, but the durability and pressure it delivers are truly impressive. I'm repurposing a treated mini gas canister as the air tank. Despite its compact size, this will serve as the primary pressure vessel, ensuring a steady and powerful airflow. Then, I'm using a tire valve to create the intake port. This simple part acts as an effective one-way valve, letting air in while preventing any pressure loss. Next, I'm building a custom frame with integrated wheels for the compressor. This provides a solid foundation and makes the entire unit portable, so I can move it around the workshop with ease. Next, I'll install the motor to drive the compressor motor and piston assembly. This is the powerhouse that initiates the piston stroke, generating high pressure for the entire system. I'm using a 12-volt battery to power the system. This portable power source allows our air compressor to run efficiently anywhere, completely independent of the grid. Next, I'm adding a power switch to the unit. This gives me full control over the operation, ensuring both safety and convenience during use. And finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.